Welcome everyone to our CCLS productivity help video. In this video, we're going to share some more tips about using our spot labeling app for vertices. So as you know, we can label through the grading sheet or you can label in the design base. One question was asked is if we want to label the gutter and top of curb, could we take advantage of the wall labels? Now, it wasn't really originally intended for that, but you can theoretically still use the wall label tool. So if we go to our wall labels, go to settings, wall label settings, you can set up a label style here and we can help you assist to create this label style. For example, here I'm selecting the back of curve first and then the gutter, okay, second. So I'll click OK and then I'll run the app. So label vertices and then select the top or the back, then the gutter, then the surface. And there we go. As you can see, it created all the labels. It's reading both feature lines. So notice here, if I click the top of curb, it will move the gutter label with it. There we go. And then you can move these around and separate these just like that. Or you can do vice versa. You can come over here and set label settings and then switch this to gutter and then top of curb, and it will put the marker on the gutter instead. So let's change that. So I'm going to come in here and say gutter first with the marker and then the top of curb or the back of curb, none. I'll click OK. I'll delete these labels or I'll run it on another section of curb and gutter. So I'll go to label vertices. This time I'll select gutter and then the back of curb and then the surface. And there you go. So notice here, it's changed a little bit. So if I click the gutter, then the top of curb will move with it. So it's based on how you set this up on the label styles. So, but as you can see, it does label all the vertices. Somebody asked me, hey, is it really changing the reading both values? So yes, it does. It's reading both feature line values. So if I go into the editor and click like this gutter and change the elevation to like maybe 590, there you go. You can see that it does read that information. If I do the back of curb or the top of curb and change that value, maybe I want 590.5. And there we go. On our next update, for those who are taking advantage of like grading group for top of curve, we're going to create an update. That way it does label the grading group feature line also included. So now for those that label inside a grading design base, you could use this tool, wall label tool, to label your objects. The reason that comes up is some people, you might have a transitional curve and you want it to read the elevations. You might have a rollover curve. So different types of curbing. So you want it to read the feature line elevation value. So hopefully you see the benefits of this wall label to use for your spot grading. And thank you for using our app.